Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy Talk English channel, a place where you can learn English in a simple, fun, and natural way. My name is John.
And I'm Emma.
We are your friends from the USA, and we are here to help you practice real English conversations every day. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Just relax, listen, and learn step by step with us.
On this channel, we use easy words, clear pronunciation, and real-life situations so you can understand and speak English with confidence.
Today, we are going to talk about something very useful: evening routines.
We will share what we usually do in the evening, like relaxing, eating dinner, and getting ready for bed. You will learn simple sentences and useful vocabulary that you can use in your daily life.
So sit back, relax, and let's start learning English together. Hey, Emma. How's your evening going?
Hey, John. It's going pretty well. I just made some tea, so I'm feeling relaxed now.
Oh, nice. Tea already. That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, I love tea in the evening. It helps me slow down. What about you?
Honestly, I just finished work and I'm still a little tired. My brain is like, please stop.
I know that feeling. After a long day, your brain just wants to rest.
Exactly. So today I was thinking, what do people usually do in the evening? Like, what is your evening routine?
Oh, that's a good topic. My evening routine is very simple, but also very important to me.
Same here. I feel like evenings really affect how we feel the next day.
Yes, totally.
So, Emma, what's the first thing you do after work?
The first thing I do is I change my clothes,
Same. That's the best feeling.
right? I take off my work clothes and put on something comfortable, like soft pants and a t-shirt.
Yeah, like home clothes.
Exactly. It's like telling your body, okay, work is finished.
I like that. For me, I also wash my face right away.
Oh, that's nice. It must feel refreshing.
It does, especially if I had a busy or stressful day. Cold water helps me relax.
I should try that. What about dinner? Do you cook every evening?
Not every day. I try, but sometimes I'm too tired.
That's honest.
Yeah, on good days, I cook something simple, like rice, vegetables, maybe chicken.
That sounds healthy.
I try. But on lazy days, I order food.
Same here. Sometimes I just say, okay, today is a takeout day.
Exactly. No cooking, no cleaning, just relax.
For me, I enjoy cooking, but only when I have energy.
What do you usually cook?
I like making pasta, soup, or simple salads. Nothing too difficult.
That sounds nice. Do you cook alone?
Yeah, usually. But sometimes I play music while cooking.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It makes it fun. I feel like I'm in my own little world.
I like that image. So, after dinner, what do you usually do?
Mm, I usually sit on the couch and relax.
Same. That's my favorite time.
Yes, I might watch a TV show or just scroll on my phone.
Yeah, I think many people do that.
Probably. What do you watch these days?
I like simple shows. Nothing too serious. Something funny.
Comedy is perfect for evenings.
Yeah, because I don't want to think too much.
Exactly. After a long day, your brain needs something easy.
Do you ever feel like you spend too much time on your phone?
Yes, honestly, yes.
Me too. Sometimes I say just 5 minutes, but then it becomes 30 minutes.
Or 1 hour.
Yes,
Do you ever go for a walk in the evening?
sometimes. Not every day, but I like it.
Me too. Evening walks feel so peaceful.
Yeah, especially when the weather is nice.
I like walking slowly. No rush, just thinking.
That sounds relaxing.
It is, and it helps me clear my mind.
I should do that more often.
You should. Even 10 minutes is good.
That's true. Small habits matter. Do you have any quiet time before bed?
Yes, I try to.
What do you do?
I like reading a book, just a few pages.
Oh, nice. What kind of books?
Simple stories, or sometimes self-improvement books.
That's good. I want to read more, but I often feel too tired.
I understand. Maybe start with just 5 minutes?
Yeah, that sounds possible.
Or even listen to something, like soft music or a podcast.
Oh, yeah. I sometimes listen to calm music.
That helps your body relax before sleep.
What about your night routine? Like before you sleep?
Mm, I usually take a shower.
At night?
Yes, it helps me feel clean and relaxed.
That makes sense.
Then I brush my teeth, wash my face again, and prepare for bed.
That sounds very organized.
I try. What about you?
Mine is more simple. I brush my teeth, and sometimes I just fall into bed.
No shower?
Not always, only if I feel sweaty.
Fair enough. Do you ever think a lot before sleeping?
Oh, yes. Too much sometimes.
Same here.
My mind starts thinking about everything. Work, plans, problems.
Yeah, it can be hard to stop.
What do you do when that happens?
I try to take deep breaths and tell myself, it's okay, you can think tomorrow.
That's a good idea.
Or sometimes I write my thoughts in a notebook.
Oh, like journaling?
Yes, exactly.
I've heard that helps.
It really does. It makes your mind feel lighter.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11.
That's good. Pretty early.
I try to sleep early so I feel good the next day.
That's smart.
What about you?
Sometimes late, like 12 or even 1.
Oh, wow. That's late.
Yeah, I know it's not good.
Maybe you need a better evening routine.
Yeah, talking to you is helping already.
You know, evening routines are really important.
Yeah, I didn't think about it before, but it's true.
They help you relax and prepare for the next day.
And also, they show how you take care of yourself.
Exactly.
I think I want to change a few things now.
Like what?
Maybe less phone, more reading, and earlier sleep.
That sounds great.
What about you? Anything you want to improve?
Maybe I want to spend less time scrolling and more time enjoying quiet moments.
That's a good goal. Well, this was a really nice conversation.
Yes, it was. Calm and simple, just like a good evening.
I like that.
I hope everyone listening can think about their own evening routine.
Yeah, even small changes can make a big difference.
Exactly.
All right, I think it's time for me to start my evening routine now.
Me too. My tea is waiting for me.
Okay, good night, Emma.
Good night, John. Sleep well.
You too.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't stop here.
Try using these simple sentences in your own evening routine tonight. Practice speaking out loud, even just for a few minutes.
And if you want to improve your English step by step, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Easy Talk English channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Also, tell us in the comments, what do you usually do in the evening?
We'd love to read your answers and learn with you.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and see you in the next video.